Hello, awesome students. Welcome to the class Collective Nouns. After completing this lesson, you will be able to define collective nouns for people, collective nouns for animals, and collective nouns for things. Collective nouns. What are they? Collective nouns are words for a group of people, animals, or things. For example, army, bundle, audience, gang, fleet, swarm, flock, and shoal. Let's begin with collective nouns for people. A team of players. A class of students. A panel of doctors. A troupe of dancers. A patrol of policemen. A crew of sailors. A board of directors. A host of angels. A band of musicians. A crowd of people. A flock of tourists. A party of friends. A dynasty of kings. A tribe of natives. A staff of teachers. A troop of scouts. Now, let's move on to collective nouns for animals. A kindle of kittens. An army of ants. A train of camels. A host of sparrows. A litter of puppies. A nest of mice. A hive of bees. A murder of crows. A colony of penguins. A flight of birds. A plague of locusts. A herd of cattle. A stud of horses. A clutter of spiders. A flock of sheep. A cloud of insects. Collective nouns for things. A pair of shoes. a bunch of bananas, a galaxy of stars, a pack of wolves, a bunch of grapes, a bar of chocolate, a quiver of arrows, a set of tools, a bowl of rice, a chest of drawer, a shower of rain, a stack of hay. I hope you would have enjoyed the class. Thank you for watching.